So here I have my nicely washed chicken feet in the bowl. Now guys, make sure you wash your chicken foot very well. You want to remove all of the nails and you want to give them some slits. Alright, when you do that, all of that season will penetrate into the chicken foot and it gonna give your chicken foot that massive flavor. Alright, so I just added some fresh garlic on top and then I'll add a little oil. The oil is optional. I just like to add the oil so that all of that seasoning will stick to the chicken feet. Alright, I'm adding a little salt. To the salt I'm gonna add some black pepper. Now you can always use the seasonings of your choice. These are mine. I'm also gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. Now if you don't like to cook with all-purpose seasoning, you want to go all natural, trust me, food still gonna taste good. You just have to make it marinate a longer time than what I'm gonna be doing here, cause honestly guys, I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna get like 10 minutes to marinate. Alright, so I'm just gonna use my nice clean hands just to rub in all that seasoning into the chicken foot. After doing so, I'm just gonna set it aside, and today I'm gonna be using my pressure cooker. Now guys, my family, we don't really love chicken foot, so if you feel some curry chicken foot, so I'm not gonna cook a lot. Alright, but if you're a person who love a lot of chicken foot, then go ahead guys, cook as much as you like. Alright, so this is about a pound, maybe about 12 feet or so. So just rub up a season nicely for your chicken foot, and then we are gonna just move on to the next step, which is to cook down our chicken foot. Alright, we're gonna cook it and make it nice. Okay, so it's looking lovely, so we're gonna move on to the next step. I'll be pressure cooking mine because of the fast method me like. Alright, now to the pressure cooker I added some oil. Now after the oil become hot, I'm going to add some diced ginger. Now I love to add ginger in my curry, and it bring on so much flavor. Sometimes I add the ginger when I cook on the food, but today I kind of saute it in the oil. Alright, that packs your curry with the curry food is so much flavor no matter where you cook. Alright, so I'm gonna add some chopped ginger, and I'm gonna add some thyme, and then I'm gonna add my curry powder and also some pimento seeds. Alright guys, so guys, what we're doing here is to just flavor the oil, because once you flavor the oil, the food offer nice. Alright, so I'm just adding my ginger pieces. Then after I do that, I told you what I'm gonna be adding. Now if you are a person who prepare your chicken feet like this, or you have never tried this method before, you can always try it. And if you do, comment down below, give me your feedback, and also share the video as it helps my channel to grow. And if this is your first time watching my video, consider subscribing for more amazing contents like these. Now may I add some curry powder. Now I'm using the Better Pack curry. Now you can always use a curry that you like. Alright, you could also add some turmeric powder at this point also. After doing so, I'm gonna kind of saute my curry with all of that nice flavor. I'm gonna just add everything in a bowl, and then I'm gonna just, I kind of coat them with all of that curry mixture. After doing so, I'm gonna just rinse the bowl, because guys, guess what, I'm hungry as I say, so I want the food to cook fast. So I gotta just coat them, and then I gotta add some water. Now my pressure cooker pressure is very fast, so normally I use some warm water, but today guys, we couldn't bother if even warm up the water, so I'm gonna just add the cold water. But just rinse the bowl nicely with some water, and then add it to the pot. Alright, but bear in mind that you don't want to pour the water on your chicken foot, because you know we work so hard to get that yellow color, and then there's a throwing water on it. Yeah, you don't want it to lose its color. Alright, even though it's a good pressure or cook in that, the curry liquid. So here I'm just adding some scallion, then I'm gonna just add some more garlic, and then I'm gonna just cover the pot, make it come to a boil, and then I'm gonna use a pressure cooker cover and make it pressure. So I'm gonna pressure mine for about 20 minutes, as I say my pressure cooker pressure fast. Now some my pressure even faster than mine, or some my pressure slower than mine. So at this point it's all pressured. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just cook it down. So I'm not gonna be adding much things to mine because I seasoned it already nicely. So I'm gonna taste it, see if it needs some more seasoning or some salt or any little thing it need, and then I'm gonna add it. Alright, so my chicken foot well soft and nice. and it tastes so yummy and it's looking amazing already. Now, if you are not a chicken foot lover, then you can always prepare your curry chicken like this. It's still nice, alright? This method is not only for chicken foot. Now, I'm adding a little pinch of all-purpose seasoning. It's completely optional, but remember, my taste buds are different from yours. Now, I'm adding some onion slices, and I'm gonna add a small piece of scotch bonnet pepper, because I don't love a lot to eat, alright? As me say, add anything you want to add. You can add some broad beans, some carrots, some Irish, anything you want to add in our no curry chicken foot. Alright? Now I'm gonna just make my one simmer down nicely, and then I'll serve it and let you see the end product. Now, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe as I said before. And guys, please watch the ads. That's how I make money. So I'm gonna please watch as them, guys. I'll be greatly appreciative. Alright, so I'm just gonna make it cook down for about 10 more minutes, because I know I'm a gravy jar, so I'm gonna put it on a very low flame, and then after that point I'm gonna return and let you see the delicious pot of chicken feet.